Welcome to visit our factory. You can see we have a different machine. This machine we call it manual machine, which is an 800 millimeters machine. And this is our testing. So our engineer is doing today. We are doing a part like this to do. It's a 4.7 millimeters. We do it in the manual machine, so we can do the manually adjustment with this gauge to check. And this is an automatic machine. So the automatic machine has a controller. The controller has the entrance and exit. So we can do the entrance is between, so it's motorized to control, then go down. When we start the machine, we can, if we start up, so the roller is moving. It's moving, then we can put the material inside. If we want to reduce the speed, so we can reduce this or increase the speed. It depends the size and the result, what you want. And this machine, the roller is 60 millimeters. And this machine is 40 millimeters. The width is 1,300 millimeters. So this is the most application in sheet metal. So they can do the different width with the thickness. Maybe the more width, then the thickness will reduction. And here we have the bigger machine. It's we call it 120 millimeters. The rollers, so they can make the maximum 12 millimeters and even 20 millimeters the material to do the leveling. So here is a different small machine for manual. And the bigger machine, we do for a big customer, they do 16 millimeters material. We use the touchscreen, and we can see the roller has 120 millimeters rollers here, and this is support. So all this is with the same speed. We have entrance and exit to adjustment the motor. Let's see the electrical cabinet. This is the inverter. This is the driving for the main motor, because the main motor will driving by the motor to the leveling rollers. This 1, 2, 3, 4 is a 4 servo motor to sensibly control the precision leveling to go down the beam. So this machine is high-end. We use Siemens, PLC, and Siemens touchscreen, Siemens. So it gives you the high-end result. So we can see we use the bearing, high quality bearing, and this is the option to do the product with these rollers with driving, because the customer do this product. This product is, we can see this is a 16 millimeters. So we put this big round plate on this table. The table can driving with this motor and go inside. It's 2 meters width to make leveling. So it's a solution. So we can do from 0.2, 0.3 millimeters to 20, even 30 millimeters material. If you have any doubt, any problem, contact with us, RSM Machinery and Dongguan Insertion Machinery in China. Thank you.